Tensions rise at Addington hospitals. Local block foreigners from accessing healthcare in Durban. I was shocked to see what happened outside Addington Hospital in Durban. A group calling themselves March and March took matters into their own hands, and the scene quickly drew attention across South Africa. According to witnesses and social media reports, members of this movement gathered outside the hospital with one clear message: illegal foreigners should not have access to South Africa's public health care system. They claim the system is overstretched and should first cater for South African citizens, especially the poor and unemployed. This protest is part of a wider campaign that's been seen in other parts of the country, where frustrations over undocumented immigration continue to grow. Some South Africans say they wait hours, even days, for proper medical care, and believe the presence of undocumented foreigners makes things worse. At Addington Hospital, no violence was reported, but the message was clear. Locals want change. Whether this change will come through government policy or continued community action remains to be seen. South Africa's constitution guarantees the right to emergency health care for everyone, regardless of nationality. But with public hospitals under pressure, the line between legal and moral responsibility is becoming harder to navigate. What do you think? Should undocumented foreigners have access to the public health care in South Africa? Or should local citizens be prioritized? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. What this incident highlights is the need for nuanced discussion about immigration, resources allocation, and human rights in South Africa. It's not a simple issue, and there are valid concerns on both sides. By listening to different perspectives and engaging in respectful dialogue, we can work towards finding solutions that benefit everyone. In conclusion, the March and March group's actions at the Addington Hospital are a symptom of a larger issue that requires careful consideration and discussion. By understanding the different perspectives involved and exploring the complexities of the issue, we can work towards creating a more inclusive and compassionate society. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. As I've said earlier on, I'll see you on my next video.